Now we begin with our coverage of the Jamie Kloss case. The small town of Barron breathing a sigh of relief after Jamie Kloss, missing for 88 days, has finally returned home. Our Emily Byer joins us live now from Barron with the very latest details this morning. Emily?
Good morning, Brooke. Hello, everyone. Yeah, this case has truly captivated America. And the best news is that Jamie Kloss was found alive and is right now home with family. But there are still a lot of unanswered questions. Officials releasing very few details at this time. But the suspect will be in court today. At this time, we hope to learn more answers to those questions. Now, what we know is that 21-year-old Jake Thomas Patterson is expected to be formally charged today. Those documents could explain more about what investigators believe Patterson knew about his victims and his motives. Prosecutors are expecting to charge him with 2 counts of intentional homicide and 1 count of kidnapping. Officials believe Patterson broke into James and Denise Kloss's home by blowing the front door open with a shotgun on October 15th. They say he gunned the couple down and fled with 13-year-old Jamie Kloss, who investigators say was Patterson's intended target. But it's unclear how Patterson became aware of her, and investigators say there's no evidence of any online interaction between Patterson and Jamie. Last Thursday, after nearly 3 months, officials say Jamie escaped her captor, Jake Patterson, in Gordon, Wisconsin. Patterson was taken into custody shortly after Jamie's escape. Officials say Patterson took many steps to hide his identity from the public, such as cutting his hair so he wouldn't leave any evidence. As for the home in Gordon where Jamie escaped from, Patterson's father turned the title of the home over to a credit union in Superior 8 days after she was taken captive. Patterson is expected to appear in person here today, one of his lawyers making a statement Saturday.
We have a job to do in terms of representing our client and protecting his rights and his interests, but we also understand the pain and the emotion that has been generated within this community. And whenever you have that, one of the things you understand is there has to be a healing before people can move forward.
Details of Jamie's 3 months in captivity have not been released, and the Barron County Sheriff has not said whether Jamie was sexually assaulted. But Patterson's lawyers, both public defenders, have been known for taking high-profile cases with an emphasis on sexually violent people, according to the Associated Press. Now, Jake Patterson will be in court at 3:30 this afternoon. At that time, we should have access to the criminal complaint so we can learn exactly what prosecutors say happened that night back in October. Stay with NBC 26 on air as well as online for the very latest on this developing story. We will bring you the latest information as it becomes available. For now, reporting live in Barron, Emily Byer, NBC 26.